In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix white space on your WordPress website. If you've ever noticed an unexpected gap or extra white space disrupting the layout of your site, you know how frustrating it can be. These white space issues can make your site look unpolished and affect the overall user experience. But don't worry, fixing this is simpler than you might think. Today, I'll guide you step by step through a straightforward method to resolve this issue using WordPress, so you can get your site looking clean and professional again. If you don't already have a WordPress account, you can sign up using the link in the description below. Now, let's get started. First, head over to WordPress.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click on the Login button. This will take you to the login screen. Here, you'll have a few options for signing in, but for the fastest access, choose the option labeled Continue with Google. This method is especially convenient if your Google account is already linked to your WordPress site. Once you've selected this option, you'll see a list of Google accounts. Make sure to pick the one associated with your WordPress site to proceed. Once you're logged in, look over to the right-hand panel of your WordPress dashboard there. You'll find a section called Quick Links. Under this section, click on Edit Site. This will bring you to the editing interface for your website. Now, if you manage multiple WordPress sites under the same account, you'll need to confirm which site you want to edit. To do this, simply click on your website from the list that appears. This step is really important to ensure you're making changes to the correct site. Next, locate the specific block on your page that's causing the whitespace issue. A block is essentially a section of content, such as a text box, image, or spacer, that you can adjust individually. Click on the block with the issue to select it. Once the block is selected, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Settings icon. This will open the Settings menu for the block. Within the Settings menu, navigate to the Block tab. This tab contains settings specific to the block you're editing, so it's the one we'll need to adjust. Now, scroll down until you see the Advanced section. Go ahead and click on it to expand the options available. Within the Advanced section, you'll find a field labeled Additional CSS. This is where we're going to add a little bit of custom code to fix the whitespace issue. Take the CSS code that you've prepared and paste it into the Additional CSS field. This code will override the default styles that are creating the unwanted whitespace. By pasting it here, you can directly address the issue without affecting other parts of your site's design. Once the code is in place, take a moment to review your changes. Double-check that the whitespace issue has been resolved and that everything on your site looks as it should. When you're sure that everything is accurate, click the Save button to apply your changes. This ensures that the edits you've made will be live on your website. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the whitespace issue on your WordPress website. By following these steps, you've not only improved the appearance of your site, but also enhanced the user experience for your visitors. If you have any questions or need help with another WordPress issue, let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.